See this all the time, people think they're eating the same, but portions slowly grow. A bit extra here, a bigger plate there, and over time it adds up. This is where people mess up, they trust their eyes. Simple fixes. First, track your food. I always recommend NutriTrack, it shows you exactly what's going on. Second, be honest with what you track. If it goes in the app. Third, slow your eating down. Fast eating hides your overeating. People who stay in shape after 30, they don't guess, they track. If portions creep up, you just lost awareness.